Most of y'all know me for making independent films, but on this video, I'm gonna put y'all on game about how to put out your own films and make money. Stay tuned. Before you can start making money, make sure you got a film that's already completed and ready to go. Because without that, you ain't got nothing. So let's get into it. Now, your first option is YouTube. I know everybody can go to YouTube and put out films, this, that, and the other, but this is how you monetize films on YouTube. First, you gotta have a YouTube channel that's already being monetized. You can't just upload on YouTube and start making money. That's not how it works. If you already have a channel that's being monetized, make sure everything is legit. Make sure your movie don't have any copywritten music, any copywritten footage, anything that's not yours. But most important, you want to make sure you don't have any copywritten music. Ways around that, you use copyright-free music and royalty-free music. You can find it on YouTube, you can find it all around, man. And for YouTube purposes, make sure your video isn't too graphic, because it'll get age restricted. And if it gets age restricted, 9 times out of 10, you won't make $1 from it. So make sure you got royalty-free music and make sure it's not overly graphic. Another route you can take is Film Hub. Film Hub allows you to submit films free of charge. It's basically a marketplace where streaming networks can pick and choose what films they want. Like Tubi, Amazon, Redbox, Plex, Zumo, just to name a few. They take no money up front, but they take 20% out of anything you make. But unlike YouTube, it's a little bit more requirements. You need captions, you need artwork, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. But it'll be worth it in the long run. Another option is finding a distribution company. But it's always better to self-distribute. You always want to retain the rights to your content as much as you can. With self-distribution, you can own your content and you can license it however you want to, and you can make money. Through a distribution company, they'll pretty much tell you what to do with your content, or they'll do whatever they want to it. You feel me? We got another option, which is BitMax. Now, BitMax is a little bit different. They take some money up front, but you keep everything on the back end, which is cool. But with Film Hub, all you have to do is upload your film, submit it, and wait for the money to come. So it's really up to you which route you want to take, but both can be good, depending on what you really need. I know it may sound like a lot, but it's really not. If you're really passionate about making money from your films, then you gotta do what you gotta do. Whatever you put into it is what you get out of it. You feel me? You don't just want to limit yourself to one platform or a platform you know you can get on for free. You want to diversify. You don't never want to stay in the same box. Put your films on as many platforms as possible. You feel me? That's the way you bring in more money. Another way to maximize your profits from films is staying consistent. It's better to make multiple films than just one. And creating multiple films is definitely a good route. After you put out your film on one of these platforms or through one of these services, you gotta be patient. Shit ain't gonna happen overnight. You gotta chill and wait for the results. But if you put something out through Film Hub or BitMax or any of these distribution companies that put out your film on multiple platforms like Tubi and so forth, be patient, man, because I guarantee it'll be better in the long run because you're on multiple platforms and you can always maximize your profits when you diversify your content. You feel what I'm saying? I hope I was able to help y'all with this information, man. Like, if you got a film out there and you're trying to put it out and make money, this is the way to go. Do your own research, man, and find out what works better for you. But these are the basics right here. And if you want to learn how to make films and shit, hit me up, man, and I'll put y'all on game from the start to the finish on how to get these movies out, bro. I appreciate y'all watching. I'm gonna holler at y'all on the next video.